Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Now you're getting something new today. We have so much to catch up on, girl. So I'm getting ready to move. I'm gonna update you guys on some changes that I've been going through, and let me know if this type of content interests you, because I'll do more. As you can see, this place is a complete and utter mess right now, but I'm gonna take you guys to my new apartment tour. We have to clean that up to get ready to move in, so that's what we're gonna do today. And we're here, guys. Welcome to my new place. I hope the lighting is okay. Yeah, we got a bigger place. I'm super happy. I have a lot of light now, but anyways, let me take you guys on a tour. So when you first come inside, we have the living room and the kitchen. This is gonna be our living room area, and as you can see, we have a fireplace now. Child, I don't even know what you do with the fireplace, but obviously it's not like a real fireplace. Girl, I don't even know. What's different about this place is that we actually have a dining room, guys. So this is where we're gonna put a dining room table. Of course, like when you have company over, you kind of want them to sit somewhere, but we never have like anywhere to sit. I love islands because you can store more stuff. Like, look at that counter space. I love lots of counter space where you could put like, you know, flowers and candles, and like you could put liquor on there, fruits and all that stuff. So I love that. Stainless steel, love me some stainless steel. So that is the kitchen. Here's the laundry room, guys, and nothing special there. And we have this room. I'm probably gonna film videos in here. Ooh, it is kind of dark still. So this is probably where I film my YouTube videos and stuff. We have a bathroom here. Bam! Hey. And there's me. Hey! We have the shower. Nothing fancy. So guys, I'm really thinking about like doing themes in my bathroom again. I think this bathroom in the last apartment was like gold and cream, but I think I have room to explore my creativity with like decorating and stuff like that. I think I'm gonna make I'm gonna do brighter colors this year with the bathrooms. But yeah, this one, I think I'm gonna change up the gold and experiment a little bit, since this is the guest bathroom, so I can kind of leave it all nice and pretty. So now we're going to the third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom, probably gonna be the master, and this is our bathroom. And like I said, you guys, gonna use every bit of time I get to, you know, make it my own. And here's the shower. And oh, it has a cute little closet here. I don't think we had that in our last unit, so that should be a lot of storage. But yeah, guys, that was my little empty apartment tour. So like I said, guys, let me know like what videos you want to see in relation to like apartment living and what we're gonna do with you know, as far as decorating and stuff like that. Let me know what you guys want to see. I've talked to you guys on Instagram before. You guys always want to see like cooking, home decor, but just let me know. Give me some more ideas that I can do. So yeah, guys, I know I've been a little MIA here and there. I'm just going through so many life changes, and since I'm moving, I decided to just start this new journey where, you know, I'm just sharing a little bit more of like Jodi's life with you guys. And I've been struggling with a few things, just life in general. Like going through your 20s, it's like no joke. So I thought I would just put my story out there to help people, hopefully. And yeah, I think as we go through the videos, I'll share a little bit more and more, but it's something that I've been wanting to share with you guys for a while, good and bad, because I've been going through a lot of great changes in my life. As we go on through these videos, thumbs up if you like it, of course. As we go on, I'll share just a little bit more and more as I'm comfortable sharing. So hope you guys enjoy this little mini house tour, and thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I don't know what I'm gonna call this series. Maybe Jodi's Brilliant Life, or The Brilliant Life, or Jodi's Life. You guys like Jodi's Life? Or the Brilliant Beauty vlogs. I don't know. You guys tell me. All right, bye. So let's do it.